Hi, I'm Shamir Laws, Research Officer here at the Natural History Museum of Jamaica. Today we'll be doing a DIY tie and dye. So today we will be using spinach, beets, and turmeric. Now we have salt, you need a blender, a strainer, the material you're going to use, elastic bands, and some boiling water. So we have a t-shirt here, and whatever tie and dye design you want, you can do, but I'm just going to do a spiral. And then you just use the elastic band to keep it secure. So you just need enough to keep it in position. So our next step is to add some salt to the water, and then we're going to put the shirt in it. So what this allows is for the dye to readily soak up in the material. So after you add your salt, you just put in your shirt. And this should be in there for about 1 hour. So to a blender, we're going to add our vegetable. So this is spinach. And then you add some hot water to it. And please remember, if you're doing this at home, to get supervision of an adult. And then you blend. So after blending, you get a container. We're reusing an old plastic bottle. And then you strain it. So here we have the finished dyes. We have the turmeric, the spinach, and the beetroot. So our next step is to add the clothing and let it soak overnight. So this is what they look like after they have started soaking. And you can see they have already started absorbing the various colors.